In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the procedure to update the app or update your BeReal application. So this actually depends on the type of device that you're using. If you're using an Android device, you need to go to the Play Store. So open up Play Store on your device and on the search bar type in BeReal. When you do this, you could find update right next to it. Click on it, wait for it to completely update, and for the smooth functioning, you could restart your device as well. And while doing this procedure or while updating the application, make sure you're connected to a stable internet, and that is how you'll be able to update the BeReal application. And similarly for the iOS device, you need to open up App Store, do the same thing, tap on the search bar, type in BeReal, and then click on upload or upload the app. And for the smooth functioning, you could also restart your iPhone too, and that's how you could update the app in your device. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.